Hi, I'm Damon from Joie. I'm going to show you today how to build the Mimzy Spin 3-in-1 from the box. So as we've got all the parts out of the box itself, I tend to start with building the tray section. So as we take the central stalk, we'll see on one side we do have just a single thin groove. So that will align to the back side of the tray itself, and we can just push that firmly into place so that's locked in securely. As we've got the arms, again these are designed to go one way only, and these will go towards the stalk end away from the front of the tray, so we've got the trigger section at the front there. So as we locate those in the housing, we can push down firmly until they lock into place, and repeat that same procedure on the other side. You locate, and push and lock that into position. So we'll just get the tray out of the way for now, come back to that part later. But as we build the structure of the high chair itself, best to start with the base section itself. So as we've got the base section, we'll find that on the legs themselves, you've got one side that has just got holes in it and one side that's got chrome pegs. So they will align to the opposite elements on the structure. So if we start off with this side here, as we place that into the housing, we can just press in the steel pins and lock that into place. Repeat the same thing for this side that's actually got the pegs attached to it. So we can again just align those up and then squeeze the steel pin to push into place. And as we slide those all the way up, the steel pins will become visible and lock into position. As we locate the feet on, these are handed. So if we have a little look inside, you can see the structure that will align up with the gap, and they'll just again simply push into place like so. So we can align that again to push quickly and easily into place. So again, you can see the little steel pins we're dealing with there, and we can align that to the relevant side accordingly. That's very, very quick and easy. Once we've built the structure up, we've got two buttons at the base there to allow us to open that up to lock that into place. And I tend to pop the basket on as the next step. So these will simply press stud into place onto the metal loops provided on the base of the structure. So very, very quick and easy to locate and press stud those on to the structure. Once we've got the high chair basket on, we need to really drop the seat unit into place. So on the underside of the seat unit, there's 4 sprung-loaded pegs that will automatically load into the system here. So we can simply pop that on, push down to lock that into place. Seat unit itself comes in a little storage mode, so there are 2 little bumps on the side of the frame here. Nothing to press, we'll simply just push that past that to drop that down. And to drop down the calf support here, we just have 2 buttons on the side there to drop that down. So with regards to the footrest, we can choose in any of the 3 different positions for this, and it's just friction. So as we get it in there, we can just push that fully into place to lock that in securely. With regards to the cover, we do have on the back of the cover 2 very important tags here that will hold the seat cover and stop it moving around unnecessarily. So before we try to drop the cover on, what we want to do is open the harness up. So press the centralised button on the harness system, push the shoulder straps towards the centre to open all of those components up, and repeat on the other side. And if we start off by just feeding through the waist strap on the seat cover itself before we do anything else, we can pop our finger through the hole and simply just pass that waist strap straight through the aperture. Repeat on the other side like so. And once we've got those in, so the importance now is getting these tags through. So I'll just spin this around so you can see a little bit better from the back where we're locating. So we can get hold of one hand here, and I'm simply going to just pass that tag straight through from one side to the other side. There's a little stitched element there that once it's passed through, that will lock into place very, very quickly and easily. Repeating that on the other side. So we've got those very quickly and easily into place now. Feeding the shoulder straps through, so depending if we're in the higher or lower harness hole will depend of course which hole in the seat cover we pass through. And again, very, very quick and easy to feed those through to the main section. Once we've got that in, now we want to move the top section of the cover into place. So we're just simply sliding that up and around over so that that's seated correctly at the back. Crotch strap at the front here, we can just feed straight through the hole in the cover. And that's the majority of the cover section built. Of course, we've got the liner, which is reversible on this one, so we can have this either way around for a plain effect or the pattern. And we just simply feed the shoulder straps straight on through those to start with. Popping the little shoulder pads in place. These are velcroed, so we do want to make sure we've got the smooth element on the inside for the child to give them a nice smooth material there. Waist strap is the same, that we just take hold of that and just feed that through at a slight little angle to pop that into place. Repeating the opposite side, of course, just at an angle to get straight through. Shoulder straps will very, very quickly and easily just slide onto the mounting to keep those together for us, and then the crotch strap will again feed straight through the hole like so. So we can clip all of those together nicely, quickly and easily. With regards to the high chair, it's got multiple recline positions there, so of course we can very quickly change the angle for the child. And with regards to the tray that we built earlier, the tray itself will fit via those brackets into the housing here, so we can squeeze that lever at the front and slide that into position. And we have got multiple positions, we can move that in or out through 3 different positions on the unit itself. For tray storage, very, very quick and easy. Of course, remove that. And on the inner side here, this will locate onto either the front or the rear legs. Locate one side, simply push on the opposite side to lock that into position. So very, very quick and easy to store the tray, and simply just pull the tray to pop that back off. Now, handily with the high chair, we include 2 different trays. So this top tray covers the entirety and will clip on at the back here, so it locks on very, very quickly and easily. And of course, as the child's using it and potentially leaving food debris there, we can take this bit off very quickly just by pulling at the base of it to pop that off. And this part we can actually pop in the dishwasher. Later on, as the child's bigger and we're not using the tray but the child's still sitting at the table, we have little silicone elements here that can allow that to still fit on the adult's table to keep it nice and clean. But also included, as well as that part, we do also have a little snack tray, so we can pop this little snack tray very, very quickly and easily onto the centre just for some fresh fruit or something convenient like that. So again, this part is dishwasher safe. So very, very quick and easy. So that's how to build your high chair, which is very, very quick and easy. And we'll do other videos to show you how to fold it, store it and use it through the different modes. Thank you.